So I'm out here messing around with my Ryobi 10-inch miter saw, and I'm getting ready to swap over a saw blade on it. I was kind of scratching my head as to how to do this, but I figured it out. So I figured I'd make a quick video for you guys in case you're trying to figure out how to change the blade on your 10-inch Ryobi miter saw. It's not that hard. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here's my Ryobi 10-inch miter saw here. And so if you lift the cover up, there's a slot right here, and it shows an arrow, and there's an Allen wrench that fits up in there, but it's kind of cocked off to the side. So it's kind of like, how the heck can you get this thing? So there's a screw here and here, and I'm going to show you how to loosen those up, and you can slide this assembly right here backwards to access that. So Ryobi did include the Allen wrench, and it's right here. It kind of, on mine, it hangs out right here. That's where it should be. You just kind of pull it up and out, and that'll unlock that bolt for you. Okay, so I'm going to loosen this black bolt right here. Just have to loosen it. You don't have to take it out. And I'm going to loosen this Phillips screwdriver up here, the silver one. Okay, so once you have those two screws loose, you can push this cover back and slide the plastic cover up like that and out of your way. And then you can get at this bolt now right here, but you're not done yet. So while you're loosening this bolt, there's a lock right here. So you have to push this lock down with your thumb on one side, and that'll lock the blade in place. Make sure, you don't have it plugged in, obviously. And I've got my saw unplugged. So I'm going to hold that thumb lock in place, and I'm going to break free that nut. So get that in place. Look at the Allen wrench that came with the saw. Oh, it actually goes the other way. Goes clockwise to loosen it. And there's a whole bolt that kind of goes in there. And then you have this washer that comes with the two. Make sure you're taking it off the same way. I'm going to put it down the way it came off. And there's a rotation on the saw. There's an arrow right here on the saw. So you know that the saw rotates in a clockwise direction. It's going to replace it with a different blade. Pay attention to your blades, because make sure that the arrows are going in the right direction. Your saw goes clockwise. There's an arrow right here like I just showed you. So my arrows are going clockwise on the saw blade. So I'll put that in. Now with this washer, it is kind of, it's not keyed, but there's a couple flat spots on it, so you got to line it up correctly with the spleen. Put it back on the way it came off. Catch your bolt by hand. So you got to go, you got to go counterclockwise to tighten it. All right, now then press on that lock with your thumb again. Then grab your Allen wrench. There it goes. And make sure it's nice and tight. You can also get a wrench on there too. It might be like a 10 mil or something. Or it's probably like 10 millimeter. And then you can put your guard back in place, pull it down, then grab your screwdriver, and tighten up on your two Phillips screws. And you should be off to races. You should be all set to go. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, leave a comment, thumb up the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys.